What's up everyone, Patrick here, welcome back. Moving on to an example dealing with the trapezoid mid-segment theorem. So we are given this trapezoid over here. Notice it's labeled A, B, C, D. And what we're going to do is we're going to let M and N be the midpoints of the side AB and CD respectively. So this side and then this side over here. We're going to have midpoints. And then we're told if BC and AD are parallel, so notice we can tell from the diagram here, BC and AD are the two parallel sides. Remember, a trapezoid is a quadrilateral that has to have one pair of parallel sides. So those are the parallel sides, or another word for them is the bases. And they both have a length of 10 and 3 respectively. We have to find the length of MN, of that line segment that joins those midpoints. That's called the mid-segment line. So let's do some labeling here. So we got M, which is the midpoint of AB. So that's going to be over here. And then we have N, which is the midpoint of CD, which is going to be over here. And then we're also told that BC and AD, the bases, they have a length of 10. So this is a length of 10 here, and 3 respectively. And what we have to do, forgot to label this, we have to find the length of MN. We have to find the length of that line segment right there, that mid-segment line. Now, if you remember from the mid-segment overview that we did, we discussed the theorem, which if you didn't watch that video, I highly recommend you do watching that before watching this one. The mid-segment line has a length that is the average of the bases. Okay, so what we can do is the length of MN is just basically going to be the two base lengths divided by 2. So 13 over 2, if you want to leave it as a fraction, or 6.5. Okay, so this here has a length of 6.5, and then that's the final answer. Another way that this can be shown, if you remember, is instead of adding these two and then dividing by 2, what we can do is we can also take MN and multiply it by 2. And then that is equal to the sum of the length. So this is another way that you might see it shown, but ultimately the answer is going to be the same, right? Because we're going to have 2 times MN is equal to 13. And then to get the MN by itself, we just divide both sides by 2. And then MN is going to be that 6.5. So it's just another workflow that can be shown, right? It's going to be either of those two, but whichever way you do it, 6.5 is the final answer.